Good day, everyone. Welcome to MMW News Network, where numbers become meaningful information. Today's top story: students are struggling to understand a large set of data after a recent examination. Can statistics solve this confusion? Our reporter investigates using frequency distribution table, mean, median, and mode. Let's go live to our field reporters.
Thank you, Ms. Nata. So we are here at the Pacific Address where students are trying to analyze the number of gathered curves. Here is the unorganized data set gathered by 20 students. As you can see, it is hard to analyze. To arrange them properly, experts recommend using the frequency distribution table. Alright, as we for now, proceed to Ms. Naibo.
Hello everyone, I am Kathleen Limanwo, and now I will be sharing some tips on how you can make your life easy when it comes to solving your recent examination regarding the data set using the frequency distribution table. So if you're getting confused on how you can get the mean, median, mode, and frequency, don't worry, because today we will be solving it step by step in the most easiest way as possible. So without further ado, grab your pen, paper, and calculator, and then for our data set, we're going to have a number of badges of our participant per household. So, ibig sabihin po, yung mga individuals po natin, yung mga participant po, ay sinurvey po natin kung gaano po kadaming mga gadgets ang meron sila sa kanilang households. And yung number of individuals po na survey natin ay nagtototal na 20 participants. So ito po yung mga data na nakuha natin for the first individual na 4, then next is 4, 6, 9, 10, then 7, 12, 11, 9, 6, then 10, 5, 11, 8, 7, then 9, 5, 12, 8, 9. So remember po na itong mga data set na to is pwede po natin silang may arrange from lowest to highest, but it is optional po. So you can actually complete the frequency distribution table arranging it from lowest to highest, but you need to be careful and identify the value. May mga initial three steps po tayo na kailangan natin gawin. So for the step 1 is to identify the range. So the range is computed by using the formula R is equal to the highest score minus the lowest score. So let's just substitute the value. For our highest score, we have 12 in our data set. Then we're going to subtract the lowest score, which is 4. So 12 minus 4 is equals to 8. And therefore, our range is 8. Then for the step 2 is to identify or determine the class interval. So for our class interval, k is equals to 1 plus 3.3 to 2 plus n. So gagawin lang po natin is i-input lang po natin sa ating scientific calculator 1 plus 3.3 to 2 plus. And then for our n, ito po yung total ang data set na gagawin natin, which is 20. So substitute lang po natin. And then ang pagiging sagot po sa ating class interval is 5.32. So remember po na kapag ating class interval ay may decimal, we always round up. Regardless po kung ito po ay 5.5 or 5.4, lagi po siya maka-round up. And then for our last step, before we proceed to our frequency distribution table, is to determine the class field. So gagamitin po namin yung formula class interval. So substitute lang po natin yung mga value natin. For our range, we have 8. And then divide natin po our class interval, which is step 2, is 6. Then 8 divided by 6 is 1.33 or 2. So katulad lang rin po yun ang class interval, kapag yung class field natin may decimal, we always round it up. And then now let's proceed to how we compute the frequency, or how we build the frequency distribution table. A frequency distribution table is a tabular summary of data that shows the number or frequency of each item in each non-overlapping classes. And since it is a table, it usually has 6 parts, which is the column and the row. So usually, frequency distribution table has 6 parts, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then how about the rows? So yung rows po natin is may identify po natin kung ilan sa pamagitan po ng ating step 2. So 0.5. And upper limit, we need to add 0.5 from upper limit. So 4 minus 0.5 is equals to 3.5. 5 plus 0.5 is equals to 5.5. And 6 minus 0.5 is equals to 5.5. And 7 plus 0.5 is equals to 7.5. And for the class mark naman, we need to get the average of lower limits and upper limits. So now, we need to add the 4 plus 5 is equals to 9 divided by 2 is equals to 4.5. 6 plus 7 is equals to 30 divided by 2 is equals to 6.5. And 8 plus 9 is equals to 17 divided by 2 is equals to 8.5. For the cumulative frequency naman, we need to add frequency from first to last. So 4, we need to copy this here. And then 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. And then 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. And then 14 plus 4 is equals to 18. And then 18 plus 2 is equals to 20. And 20 plus 0 is equals to 20. So ang N po natin is 20 and perfect. And for the next step, we need to find the product of frequency and then the class mark. So 4 times 4.5 is equals to 18. And 4 times 6.5 is equals to 26.
We have received new information regarding the average score.
So now, let's proceed in solving the mean, median, and the mode. For the mean, it equals the summation of the product of the frequency and the class mark over the n, or the total number of data. In solving the summation of the product of the frequency and the class mark, we already have here the data, which is total 162. 162 divided by 20, which is the 20 is the total number of data, is equals to 8.1. So our mean is 8.1. So now, let's proceed in solving the median. For the median, we have and to find our median class, we're going to find it under the cumulative frequency column, and the median class then is under po siya ng 14. So our median class is the 8 to 9 class limits. So for the book, first we're going to look at our frequency distribution table and find the modal class o yung class interval with the highest frequency. So dito yung pinakamataas na frequency ay 6 and the modal class niya is 8, 9. So after identifying our modal class, we are going to solve it using the formula of substitute natin yung mga values. So, ang ating lower class boundary of the model class is 7.5, and ang ating frequency is 6, and the frequency before the model class is 4, and also the frequency after the model class is 4, and then after that, isusolve na natin siya. And ang ating unang sinusolve ay nasa loob namin parentheses. So, first is yung 6 minus 4. So, 6 minus 4 is equals to 2, then 2 times 6 is equals to 12, minus 4 is equals to 8, minus 4 is equals to 4. And then after that, isolve ulit natin siya with 2 divided by 4, which is 0.5, and then i-multiply natin siya sa 2. And then ang magiging equal niya is 1, and then i-add natin siya sa 7.5. So ang magiging mode natin is 8.5.
Today, we learned how to organize data using frequency distribution table and calculate mean, median, and mode. These statistical tools help us understand information clearly and make better decisions using data. This has been MMW News Network, bringing clarity through numbers.